Tonight I'm going to harvest some baby kale. In this container there's like 3 or 4 varieties. I'm essentially going to go through and cut the kale so that there's about 3 inches left of stalk. That way it can regrow and come back again and we can keep harvesting. So there it is, post-harvest. Make sure you're not cutting your kale flush to the soil like I said before. You want to make sure it can photosynthesize and shoot back up again for ongoing harvest. And this is what we got. Got quite a bit. This kale is absolutely perfect. I can't wait to put it in a stir fry and or put it in a salad. So it's been 15 days since I did my first harvest of the season. The kale is coming back very nicely, as you can see. I will give another update once I do my second harvest. So it's been exactly 3 weeks since I did my first harvest. As you can see, the kale is coming back very nicely. We haven't really had much rain, and I'm sure if we did have rain, this stuff would be a lot larger than it is. Also, some of this Russian kale is shading out the kale below it. So what I'm going to do tonight is just harvest these larger leaves, and hopefully that'll allow more sunlight to get to the kale underneath it, and hopefully that stuff will take off. And I think this is going to be the last update for this video, so I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.